So last time I was using my Porter cable joiner here. It's a 6-inch. It's got a nice fence on it. It's locked down. It doesn't move like that. But let's run something across here, and then where the blades sit, it was bouncing real bad right here, and it was messing up the wood. I'll go show you a piece, but I went ahead and took the blades out, and behind the blades was a lot of buildup. I didn't clean it as much on this one as I did the other. I don't know if you can see all the buildup right there. This one was just as bad, but I cleaned it up right there. And using a straight edge, found out that I don't know what I hit, but there's a good like half-inch spot right here where the blade is not sharp anymore. It's messed up. It's gonna sharpen them, but Lowe's has these readily available on the shelf. I checked for $12, and I have a $50 gift card, so I have to go spend it anyways. This got me worried about changing this out is these set screws right here. The blade sits in there. There's quite a bit of play in there. I think this is how you adjust the height of the blade, and I'm not sure how to do that yet. I think what I'll do is, after I get the blade in there, set it up like this, get the blade perfectly level with the side that doesn't move, and then tighten down all the cap screws that hold the little plate over the blade. We'll see in a little bit. It took me so freaking long to find the mic, I forgot what I was talking about. Oh yeah, this is me opening up the new blades and trying to figure out the right ones. They seem to match up, but I'm an idiot sometimes. I don't pay attention. I get preoccupied with like cleaning it out to make sure there's no more funk up in there, and then I put the blade in there upside down, which does no good. I don't know if it'll cut like that with just that blunt edge on the back. So this is me trying to figure out why the screws don't line up, and then I loosen up the set screws, and then it lines up. I'm like, sweet, let me measure this. And I'm like, what? That's not sharp. So then I flip it around and do the same thing. I realize that I'm dumb. But hey, this kind of thing happens sometimes. I've never done this before, like most of the stuff I've done. So here I am putting it in the right way. Make sure. Shut up, Adele! Sorry about that. Yeah, I flip it over the right way using a flat edge across the thing. Set it 0, and I made sure that it was straight across. So if there's any rocking, I adjust it and then retighten it down. Both sides are good. I think we're ready to go cut some stuff now. So here I am trying it out. Initially I had the grain going the wrong way, so I flipped the board over, went across it the other way, and it came out really smooth. I tried doing the flat side now to make sure it was cutting straight across and it was level, and it turned out beautifully. I couldn't be happier with the way this turned out. I guess it works. Much better. It was doing some weird stuff before. Glad to see it's working much better now. Now I get on to my next project. If you notice that it's lit up way better in the shop, just wait. You'll see a video coming up shortly and how I made that happen. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.